What's going on, guys? In this video, it's going to be very short and I'm going to get straight to the point. I want to know, what is the biggest challenge that you face in your day-to-day trading? Is it over trading? Is it lack of knowledge? Is it wrong strategy? Is it take profits? Is it stop losses? Is it, what is the biggest problem that you would say, if you could put your thumb on it, is causing you the most trouble in your trading? Okay, I'm very curious. This is almost like running a survey. A lot of times I talk to traders who have been trading for 5, 6, 7, 8 years, and their problems are different than people who have been trading for 6 months and below, and completely different than people who have been trading for over a year. What I really want to know is, what is the main problem that you face on a day-to-day basis that's not allowing you to be profitable? If you are currently not taking out payouts from a prop firm right now, like consistently, like at least every 30 to 45 days, I want to know what you personally think is your problem when it comes to making this work. What questions do you may have that could potentially get answered so that you could create a better life in lifestyle for yourself going on the road, especially in 2025. Guys, the year has just started. Okay, we're still fresh. You still have plenty of time to make well over six figures this year. I would just like to know, where can we get to the bottom of these questions that you may be asking yourself on a day in and day out basis, and what do you feel like you need help on the most? Leave it in the comment section below. I'm going to do my best to answer every single one of you guys in a follow-up video. I'll see all of you guys on the next one.